Hi there, my name is John Coburn and welcome to my review of XENA today. I'm going to take you right inside the members area. During the video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of exactly what you get, so you'll know everything before you buy. Now basically, in a nutshell, XENA is a great new and exciting program that makes money. I really like XENA as it's newbie friendly and these guys are making a ton of money using it. If that's what you're interested in, then stick with me as I go through it into more detail. I've put together a ton of custom bonuses for you today. You can pick them up through my link in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, it's down below this video. So when you click on my link, it will bring you straight to the bonus page. This program has now gone live, so pick these up whenever you like. Click on any of the buttons on my bonus page and get to the XENA sales page that looks like this. Add this to your cart and pick XENA up at any time you like. The timer on my bonus page may run out, but don't worry about that, I will still send you all my bonuses. Let's go ahead and talk about the bonuses I will be giving you today. Bonus number 1 I'm going to give you access to is Atomic DFY. Bonus number 2 I'm going to give you is an awesome 2000 copy and paste email system. Priceless bonus number 3 I'm going to give you contains 10 local SEO hacks you probably didn't know. Bonus number 4 I'm going to give you free access to the sensational Polaris Pro software. Bonus number 5 I'm going to give you access to a bundle of all the vendors' bonuses. These are all high quality products, not checklists or cheap PLR throwaways. Great high quality training and software that you can use and give away. So to claim all these bonuses free of charge, all you have to do is click on my link below this video. Go to my bonus page and click on any of the buttons. They will take you through to the sales page where you can pick up XENA by adding it to your cart. This will take you to Warrior Plus, where you can download the product and all your bonuses. On Warrior Plus, click on the product download button. You will also get instant access to all of your bonuses. Yes, it's that easy. You will get all the bonuses, even if you only pick up the low-cost front-end product. Let's go and have a look at the sales page now. The headline reads, "Software piggybacks on one of the world's biggest websites, netting us $214+ every day. 100% free traffic and newbie friendly with only one-click setup. And I know that this works great." Check out the sales page in your own time. All the features and benefits are listed for you. I'm just going to jump into the members area so you can have a look around. I'm sure you would like a quick sneak peek inside the product. This is what the members area looks like. Pause the video so you can see exactly what you get. Everything is set up to have you making money quickly. Let me show you the pricing of all the optional OTOs with downsells. They are pretty cool and I want you to save money and achieve best value. And remember, you get all my bonuses for free, even if you only buy the front end product. So there you are. Definitely go and pick this up. There is a lot of value in here. Thank you for watching my review today. Now go ahead and click the link below. Go and grab my 5 free bonuses and then click on any of the buttons to access the sales page.